Okay, Learning Machine. So as you can see, this is a very, very big offer, very, very big deal. Now, you're probably wondering why I even priced it at $9.97 when I should price it at like $500,000 or $1 million for this many leads. Now, how have I acquired these leads? How have I marketed to these leads? And why am I selling these leads? Let me explain it all in this video real quick. So I should take this down pretty soon, but I figured why not put together these offers quickly to basically give you guys that opportunity and give you guys value, because over time I've given you guys courses and stuff and just knowledge of what I'm doing and given you guys like game, like skill sets and everything and methods to make money that I'm doing. But this is more guaranteed for you even as a beginner, because you can just have an asset and leads and email lists you could promote to. So how have I gotten these leads? I've basically purchased from companies, businesses, and marketers from various sources. These are 150 million USA targeted leads. They're obviously probably mixed and matched, but this is like very recent leads. These are leads that are basically within the year, this year and last year, basically. And I'll be updating this over time as well and adding more leads to it. But this is like an opportunity of a lifetime for y'all. In this image, it does say 100 million, but it's actually 150 million leads, okay? And it's not just 100 million, it's 150 million, plus bonus consumer database of consumers of just 3 million people. Okay, these are like a lot of leads. When you get these leads, they're gonna be CSV files and everything. You do what you want with them. You can promote to these leads anything you want that is okay with USA traffic and wants USA traffic, which is almost every offer out there. And you can sign up for ClickBank, promote offers on there. You can sign up for CPA networks, promote offers on there. You can promote your own stuff you do. Whatever business you have, you can promote. For $1,000, guys, this is a no-brainer. And I know for a fact that here's the thing, I wanted everyone to be able to afford doing this opportunity, and people who are action takers to take advantage of an opportunity like this, because I know it, me as an action taker, I would snatch this opportunity up in 2 seconds if I saw it back before it's ever made, if someone else made something like this. But like, I'm giving you guys like the best thing I can possibly give you guys, okay? My personal brand over time, like I've said, I've just given you guys knowledge and stuff, but I've never like given like a way where you guys can like buy up an asset that can make you money. Okay, I have never seen something like this before that people have done. Okay, no one's done this. You guys can promote to this forever as long as it's making you money. You can promote to it every single day and make money. You can make back $1,000 super fast. No results guaranteed, of course, but you can make back $1,000 fast with 150 million emails, USA emails. Do you understand how much that costs to actually get with paid ads? Okay, like 10 million of this right here is just from paid ads, me doing paid ads on YouTube ads, in-stream advertising. Okay, it costs me like a lot of money. Okay, I might disclose the amount of how much I've spent to like acquire those paid ads leads, but it's a lot of money, and I figure I might as well try and make just a little bit extra money, which won't even like be noticeable, sadly, compared to how much I've spent. But I figured I would give you guys, the opportunity to buy these leads from me, because I know it most likely will not. Actually, I know it won't like affect my marketing, because people on average get like thousands of marketing messages per day. They just do. It makes no difference at all. It makes no difference even if a million people buy this offer from me. Which, if a million people did, how much does that equal? Like 100 million? No, that's like $1 billion almost. That'd be pretty awesome, but I doubt a million people will buy this from me, because most people are not action takers in the world. Most people don't take advantage of the opportunities when they see them. But I'm sure if you're a logical person here watching this video, that you realize like the power here. Okay, so this is a big opportunity. Obviously, it's such a no-brainer, in fact, that how else do you say it? Like, it's just such a freaking irresistible opportunity. It just is. I mean, this is 150 million emails. It's actually kind of funny that I'm doing this, but like, I don't need your money at all. It's just a little bit extra money on all the stuff I'm doing. It's for cash flow reasons, I guess, but it's really not, because I already have a ton of cash flow for my paid ads anyway. I'm really doing this for all of you, like, for sure. It only took me like only so much time to actually put this together, so I figure why not offer it to y'all. It's taken me way more time and money to obviously acquire leads, all these different leads. The 1 million email list and the 100,000 email list of United States, they don't overlap into this. They're all sold separately. So if you've already bought in those, there's no discount for this. It's all sold separately. They're totally separate lists, just so you know. So anyway, this is like such a no-brainer opportunity for y'all. Hopefully you see why this is so freaking powerful. I will see you on the other side because there's literally no reason not to take action here. I just figured I'd make a quick video talking about each one of these offers I have for y'all so you understand what the seriousness and magnitude here is of this opportunity for y'all. So thank you for watching. I'll see you on the other side. Peace out.